The diagram shows the 3 points OP and Q on the level ground. OPQ is equilateral triangle, and the bearing of Q from P is 135. Find the bearing of P from O. So P from O. So immediately you are told P from O, you stand at O. Where is O? Right here. You put up a north. There's already a north. Then you move until you meet the line P O or OP. So you're going to move slightly here. So this is the bearing that we are looking for. This right here. Now, what is the size of this? Now, to have it easy, very important that you always see when you have a north and a north, always find the this part. So this is the north and this is the north. That north and that north. There's always a line that attaches this, and that make all these lines are parallel. There's always a line that attaches to that and forming corresponding angles. So this I can extend it down so that you can see it clearly, like this. I can extend it down. Let me just try to extend it. So which means this angle and this are equal. Okay, now how do you find this? Because we need to find this so that we can even find the one that we are interested in. Now, you know that straight line is 180. So from here up to there is 180. Now, what is this part that is remaining from 180? So 180 minus 30 or 135. So that part is the 45 degree. So this part is 45 degree. Now, another thing, we've been told that this is an equilateral triangle and it has angles inside 60, so which means even the total angles here is 60. We have part of it which is 45. Out of 60, what is remaining? 15. So this part that remains here is 15. If this is 15, also it means that is also 15 degree. So here the bearing is 0, 1, 5 degree in 3 figures. Okay, so the first one is 0, 1, 5 in 3 figures. Then the second one, O from Q. So let us go at Q. So right here, the north. Then we are going to move in the clockwise direction. Okay, so from here until we touch the line OQ. That one. Now, this hole is the bearing we are looking for. How do we find it? Now, here again, very important to know. This and this are parallel. Let me just try to remove some things. They are parallel, and therefore this angle and this angle are equal. So we say this is 45, which means also this is 45. Now, we are interested only in this part, so which means this whole part from here and up to there we're not interested in. So what is that part? Which is 45 plus 60. This gives us what? 105. That is the part we do not want. So we are going to remove it from the total rotation, which is 360. So we say 360 degree minus 105. And this gives us 255 degree as the answer. So here it is going to give us 255 degree.